Hello my YouTubers, how y'all doing today? Guess who? It's me. I am back with another video. Today y'all, I will be trying something new for the first time, which is homemade stuffed bell peppers. And I have some white rice I will be using today. And I'm going to do a total of 6 bell peppers. I mean, you can do one. I mean, you can do like 2 or 3 just for one person, or you can do 6 to 8 to 10 if you're doing multiple, feeding multiple people. So here, y'all, I have my bell peppers. As y'all see, I have my yellow, my orange, and my red bell pepper. So I'm going to do, like I said, 6 bell pepper. And I also have 2 pack of ground turkey. As y'all see, 2 pack of ground turkey. Turn it the other way. And you can use ground beef as well, or any kind of ground beef. You can use ground lamb, ground chicken, whatever your preference is. It's up to you. Whatever you want to use, it doesn't matter. I'm using ground turkey because simply I don't eat beef nor pork. And I really don't like ground chicken. Just not my party. I don't like it. You may like it. So I will be doing that as well. So you want to go ahead and preheat your oven while you are boiling the rice. So here I have my pan already aligned with aluminum foil. So you can use any kind of pan. 6 bell peppers should fit in that pan. I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven on 350. And I'm going to go ahead and fill up my pot with water and boil my rice. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So how everybody doing today? Oh yeah, y'all, by the way, if you are new to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be alert when I have new videos coming your way. And also, you guys, make sure whatever y'all do, okay, y'all, I went ahead and filled my pot up with the water and rice. I don't know if y'all can see that. And I'm going to put this on medium to low heat. So yes. By the way, y'all, on all my videos at the end, I always have my number goal that I'm trying to hit. And that is trying to get 80,000. So if you guys are liking my videos, enjoying my videos, and you want to see more videos come your way, be sure to hit that subscribe button, share these videos, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, do all that good stuff. Help your girl get to the 80,000. I would greatly appreciate it. But so y'all do that. Alright, so what I'm about to do is go ahead and let this rice start boiling or whatnot. I'm going to drain it off. I'm going to go ahead and start prepping for my ground turkey to cook that as well. Also, I'm going to go ahead on and clean, wash these bell peppers, gut them out real good, get all the seeds out of it, cut the top. And what you want to do, you all, which I'm coming back to show you all the step by step, but you just want to just cut the top off of the bell pepper. Let me see if I can show you guys. So what you want to do, just cut right along in here, probably about that much off, because you want to have the whole bell pepper, because you want to stuff as much as you can. Go ahead and cut that top off and clean it and wash it off real good. You also would need, sorry you guys, I didn't get all my items out before talking to you guys, but you also would need tomato paste as well. You can use 2 cans, 3 cans. It depend on how much you are making. Along with tomato sauce or whatnot. And diced tomatoes as well. If you want a little kick too, you can use the diced tomatoes and chili. Or you can just use regular diced tomatoes in the cans, fine. Or you can use fresh tomato, dice them up, also fine. Okay, so in the meantime, between time, I am about to go ahead on and get everything prepped. And I'll be back with you guys shortly with the next step on what to do with these stuffed bell peppers. Alright, YouTube, I am back. So now I am going to do the next step, which is brown my ground turkey. So here I have my ground turkey. I'm about to go ahead and put into the pot. And you just want to let this brown. And once this brown, you want to mix the rice and the ground turkey together, and you want to season it. So you want to also add your you also want to add your, go ahead and add your seasoning right now into the meat as it browns, so it can just all cook together. Add your tomato paste and your tomato sauce as well with the rice and the ground turkey. So that's my second pack of meat that I'm adding into the skillet. So I'm just going to go ahead and brown this up. So I'm just going to go ahead on now and just add the tomato paste and my seasoning to this. And I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright everyone, I have added my chopped tomatoes. Now I'm adding my tomato paste to the ground turkey. Alright, and now I'm going to add my tomato sauce. I'm adding 1 can of everything, tomato sauce, as y'all see. And what you want to do, go ahead on and drain some of the water off. But do this step before you add the tomato sauce and tomato paste. Alright. So now you want to mix everything together. The rice might end up having just a little bit of water in it, so it will help thin out the paste a little bit. If you want to leave some of the meat broth in the pot as well, you can do that. Okay, you guys. Now you're going to finish this in the oven once you stuff your bell peppers. So I'm going to go ahead and add my rice now to the mix. Here's my rice, everyone. So I'm going to go ahead and add this. And you just want to mix it all together. All right, you guys. Now that I have this mixed, I'm going to return back with you all with the last final step, which is cleaning these and cutting the top. And I'll be back with you guys shortly. Oh, okay, okay. All right, you guys, I am back. As y'all can see, let me just kind of lower my camera. Okay, as y'all see here, I have cut my bell peppers, cleaned them, you know, washed them real good, and gutted them out. So this is how they should look. And in order for them to sit up, you guys, I would recommend you to just cut just a small amount from the bottom, the base part, because it's round, so it's not they're gonna rock or fall over like that. So they will sit up as they're sitting up now. You don't have to worry about putting no dividers or nothing like that. As y'all see, I cut the top off. You just want to cut the top off just a little bit, about that much of the top. Take off, gut it out, wash it real good, and you're good. Now, you can do any kind of bell pepper. You can do the green ones, you can do the red ones, the yellow, orange, whatever you want to do. I just want to be a little bit different instead of doing the traditional green bell pepper like everyone uses for their stuffed bell peppers. So I just want to be different, be colorful or whatnot. So here, y'all, I have my mix going. Let me see if I can tilt my pie so you guys can see. As y'all see, that's my mix. So I'm about to go ahead and fill these guys up. Once again, I have my oven already preheated, medium to low, which is like on 300. You don't want it up too high because you don't want to burn the bell pepper. You just want the bell pepper to cook in the oven or whatnot. So that's pretty much what you want to do. So I'm stuffing these, as y'all see. I'm putting my stuff in here. You want to make sure they're sitting up because you don't want your stuffing to spill out everywhere. So I'm just going to go ahead and stuff all of these. I like mine to be overstuffed. You can stuff them however you want to stuff them. Doesn't matter. Now, you guys, you want to go ahead and let these bake for probably, like I said, you just want to keep an eye on them pretty much until they get, you know, brownish a little bit and very soft, tender, and then you just want to pull them out because your stuffing is already ready. It's cooked already, so you don't need to leave it in there too long. And I'll be back with you guys shortly with the finished product. Alright, YouTube, here's the finished product of the stuffed bell peppers. So that was my time. Thank you for your time. Until next time.